This reminds us what Pope Pius IX said of Mary, turning her maternal heart toward us and dealing with the affair of our salvation. She is concerned with the whole human race, constituted by the Lord, Queen of heaven and earth, and exalted above all the choirs of angels and the ranks of the saints in heaven, standing at the right hand of the only begotten Son and Lord Jesus Christ. She petitions most powerfully with her maternal prayers, and she obtains what she seeks. So she is a Queen of hearts. Her kingdom is kingdom of love, truth, justice, and peace. What rules our world today? Is it Christ's kingship, Mary's queenship, or is it the force of arms, engineering, and computerized superiority? Christ's kingship does not depend on armies and bombs and missiles, but on the power of truth. It is not national, but rather transcends all boundaries of class, sex, color, religions. It does not oppress human lives, but rather lifts and frees people. It resides in hearts and minds of people. Therefore, let all approach with greater confidence more than before to the throne of mercy and grace of our Queen and Mother to beg help in difficulty, light in darkness, and solace in trouble and sorrow. And let them strive to free themselves from the servitude of sin. Whoever therefore honors the Lady, ruler of angels and of men, let no one think himself exempt from the payment of the tribute of a grateful and loving soul. Let him call upon her as the most truly Queen and as Queen who brings the blessings of peace, that she may show us all after our earthly existence.